Hi everyone. So this is a walkthrough of what it looks like for an investor to be using a deal room. So in this scenario, Blackstar Inc. demo is raising money and has invited an investor to this deal room to view the details of the round. So as a company on your raise account, you would have filled in the term sheet details, the company details, the financials, funding, milestones, and documents. And here you would have invited this investor to see the deal room and track the activity in the actual deal room itself. So here, as an investor, I'm seeing the term sheet. I'm seeing that this company is raising using a post-money safe, that they've raised 250,000 of 500,000, which is their target, with a valuation cap. And below, as an investor, if I want to understand how much money should I be invested in this company so I can get a sense of what my investment will look like in the future, I can use what we call a simulator. And in this simulator, essentially, I get to basically model out what my investment could look like in the future using the company's actual cap table and the scenario that you would have built as a founder. So in this case, I know if I'm investing 20,000 US dollars, I will get about 0.3%, 0.32% of the company when my shares convert. And the founders will collectively own 72%. And I can see that the value of my investment will increase by Series A to $52,800, and I can see the company's value post-money valuation at the next round. So an investor, I can easily guess the details of my investment round and understand exactly the impact of my money, and most importantly, perhaps the future value of my money in the future. So in this case, instead, I say I want to actually invest 200,000, and I can see that now I own about 3% of the company, and my investment value grows by 167% over the next couple of years. So that's a simulator. And then similarly to what you filled in as a founder, as an investor, I can view the company overview details that you would have filled out really nicely. I can see a list of the team members and their advisors on the actual company itself. I can see the financials and use of proceeds, how the money is going to be spent, in this case, across marketing, operations, product, and salaries, the burn rate of the company, its financial performance in the future, as well as its funding history that you would have filled out, milestones that the company has been through, launching beta testing or onboarding user, as well as I can view, like you would see in a traditional virtual data room like Dropbox or DocuSign, I can view the documents of the company itself that you would have uploaded as Blackstar Inc. already. So in this case, I've looked at the details as an investor. I'm really happy. In this case, actually, there's some details that I'd like about the team's vesting schedule. So here as an investor, I can create a data request and ask you for more data. So here what that does is make it a lot easier for you to respond to data diligence requests. And this comes directly through to your email. And I just received that email as a founder. And next, as an investor, I'm happy with this company. I actually want to invest. So earlier on, I'd simulated 20,000 US dollars. That's what I'm comfortable with. I'm going to simulate that investment one more time. And after I've done simulated investment, I'm happy with investment. I'm excited to join this journey as a shareholder in Blackstar Inc. company as a note. And then here I'm going to actually invest in the company. So what happens now is as the company, as the founders of Blackstar Inc., you're going to be notified, you get an email, and we start to update your cap table and start to issue the agreements to be signed as a part of the deal. And in the future, there'll be tons of cool features where you can actually send the money or receive the money and issue certificates on behalf of the investment. So here I've invested successfully in the company. I've got my email. The company's gotten their email. And next, we need to sign the documents and update the cap table. So that's what the investor experiences after you've launched the deal room. And then on your side as a company, as you'll see in the video for the walkthrough of the deal room, you get to track all of this activity. So you can see if a request for further data was made by an investor, when it was made. You can see what kinds of simulations an investor would have done in the investor simulator, the amounts. You would have seen them sign the NDA to enter this room. And perhaps most importantly, you'll see the documents they would have clicked on and downloaded to inform their investment decision. So this is a walkthrough of what it looks like from an investor's perspective. We're always here to help. Thank you for the time.